Long time no see. I'm back. Finally making more videos. To be honest, I've been missing it, and especially talking to myself in front of camera is the coolest thing you can do. It's not. It's not. But I get used to. Okay, let's back to the topic. Twitter ball. Yeah. 想把自己放进冰箱，待下一天没人煮汤。我来帮你失败，失败，失败，失败，感受凉爽。To be honest, I'm already done with your work, and I have to go to library, so I will go there. And yes, that's all. It was today pretty good day, I would say. Yeah, that's where I work. It's office. I also can work from home, but sometimes I prefer come here to work there because I feel that I have like to work, yeah. Or if I can have free time extra, I'll do my own stuff. Today, like I didn't have, but I got new project. I'm gonna work on it. It's about automation as well. But it always like 1 month ago, I was already done with the current project. But yes, I guess I can directly move to the next project, and I'm a bit excited, I would say. Yeah. Basically, I'm here and I'm eating something sandwich before going to library, because I was thinking like I will couple out as well in the library, and if I'm gonna go home later after that, will I get hungry? I guess yes. That's why I got some snack sandwich. So, and something to drink. So basically what I want to say, as you know by the title, I'm going to talk about the Twitter bot. It took about like two months to do that eventually, but to be honest, last week I was trying to do that, not like every day when I had chance or when I wanted to do it, not only wanted, when I forced myself to do that, because it was not so easy for me, because I checked out other like blogs, how they did it, and I tried it out, but it didn't work out. And the only way to do that is just go to docs, but I did before as well, to Twitter docs. But it wasn't easy as well, because you have to like, even though it was easy, but it's a lot of information, you don't know exactly how to do that. And I just look for it, just repeat some topic that I forgot about, API, how did it work, etc. And just, even though when I brought the bot, it's not ready. I just want to like make it just Twitch, not every day, like we will see, like by a time specific. So I would love to do that. Yeah, and it's not ready as at all. But the problem is I don't understand everything there. It's the whole concept. Probably we're going to show it, but one of the things is when I just try to tweet via VS Code, this terminal, I need to get back the password from the website. That sucks, to be honest, because I don't want to get I don't want to go to the website. It's just like manual work. I don't want to. I just have to be automatically, But after that, it tweets, but not immediately, That sucks. So probably I will figure out how to do that as well. And yeah, but one of the important things, it tweeted. I was so happy when finally it tweeted, because it wasn't so easy for me. So yeah, as you know, I'm not best programmer. I'm never gonna be the best, even I'm not a good programmer, I consider myself, but I try to do that. Yeah, if not me, who will do that? Yeah, I have to learn more. So, but anyway, happy. Let's eat finally. Okay, I listen to me. I have to speak not a lot because I'm in the library. I have to always put on my monitor. That's the problem. Anyway, I will just be like that. I've been trying to improve my Twitter bot. It's integrated with my plan to make automatically, but it's not working. But it's better. It's right now working manually with the pin, and I will definitely show you. So yeah, that's what I want to do. Twitter bots, generally bots. I love bots because not bots that scammers use, or it's just similar bots, but I like bots that automate our process. For example, study flow or workflow or other flow that you'd like to do that. And it's really cool, to be honest, to have bots because they can help you to do small things, not to do small things, yes, because you can automate it. That's exactly that. I'm so excited about that. I always want thinking that to have to make a Twitter bot or Telegram bot. So I just decided to make the Telegram bot, sorry, Twitter bot, Twitter bot. And yeah, how was that? You know that I'm the best developer, software engineer, whatever called, alive. I'm not. It took a while. Like let's say like last week, I did like couple project for that to accomplish it that I wanted, but only one of them worked. I'm still working on one, but yeah, what exactly I did. So basically, I just went for Twitter docs about Twitter. They're like tutorial, and you can have a look. But the problem is in Python. I don't program in Python. I wasn't thinking. I was thinking that time that I have to learn maybe Python for that. But no, come on. I just don't want to learn for that. I just want to stick to JavaScript. Well, unlikely there is only JavaScript. There is no JavaScript code there. There are like GitHub samples. You can use it for your specific niche, what exactly you want to do. In my case, I just want to manage tweets, which means you can delete or tweet a message. And I did it. I'm probably going to show right now how I did it. I didn't, have to say that I didn't write the whole code. Of course, I don't think so. Everybody does it because Stack Overflow copy best. Yeah, but so I just want to quote some quotes. No, I want to tweet quotes or tweet something, and I did it. But the problem is that right now that I need like kind of manually alter that myself. For example, it will be given. I just have to like start the script, start the code, like yes, and it will be giving me a link that I have to go there and get the code from the Twitter authorization side and have to put into my terminal. Then it will come out the JSON code that's written with my text that I wanted, for example, quote. And you will see right now as well. I tweeted in Twitter. Yeah, that's cool. That's amazing. That at least something. I was so happy that I did it because I've done at that time I had done a couple projects for Twitter, but didn't work out. And I was so desperate to make it, and I did it. Even though not exactly what I wanted, because I want to make it more automatically, but I have to use Firebase, for example, for it, and I'm using for right now for it. And I want to as well to make it like tweet on daily basis. I hope it will not cost a lot for money, but we will see. Even though for a month it will be $10, or I don't think so, $10. It's too much, $10. Maybe $1, I guess. Yeah, I think it will be worse. Yeah, definitely gonna worse. And yeah, but the most important thing about doing the project that I came back to some lecture that I forgot, for example, promises, think, await, how to use it, or even though fetching API, using Postman again. Last time used, I don't remember, so it was like, I kind of reminding myself how to use it. I think it's like kind of job of all developers. We don't know a lot of things, but we used in the past, but we also, recall the knowledge we did it. And so we always can think about that. Even though I'm talking like I am proud and I'm not. I hope I will be more better, but the only way to become better is just doing more projects and seeing. Yeah. The only thing I don't like about programming, it's just solo programming. I am not good at it. I am not. Because it is really hard to program on your own, even though small thing. So yeah, if you have a chance to program with somebody, especially you're young or I don't know, even student, you can do that with somebody. It's much will be funnier and first time, I guess. I hope you liked the video and see you next video, I guess. Bye.